and look at those colorful parachutes opening in the air. The zeal and dedication of Akash Ganga team, coupled with innovation and daredevilry, has helped skydiving in India blossom into a breathtaking sport.
Isn't that beautiful? Look at him descend. The one in the middle going round and round. Now stand by for them to make formations. Air Force flag is at the bottom. You can see the blue Air Force flag swirling beautifully in the sky.
Flying the Indian Air Force flag is Junior Warrant Officer Avinash, depicting the motto of Indian Air Force, that is Nabha Sprisham Deeptam, or
सबसे ऊपर,
as we say, touch the sky with glory.
सबसे ऊपर बाएं हाथ पे देखिए वो कैनपीज फॉर्मेशन बनाती हुई.
Straight above, you can see the Akash Ganga flag. It is being flown by Sergeant Sumit Kumar.
एयरफोर्स फ्लैग के ठीक ऊपर देखिए रोटेटिंग कैनपी फॉर्मेशन बनाती हुई.
For today's demonstration, the spotter's role is being performed by Squad Leader Aftab Khan, who is a qualified parachute jump instructor. The DZ safety officer for today's display is Warrant Officer S.L. Samota.
आपके पास आती हुई सारी कैनपीज. सबसे नीचे एयरफोर्स फ्लैग. अब आप उसे क्लियरली देख सकते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड टर्न में आपके सामने आता हुआ. उसके दाहिनी ओर दो कैनपीज एक डिसेंट में और सबसे ऊपर हमारा तिरंगा.
The team members have managed to get their boots on ground on every possible terrain of the country. Whether it be the summery hot deserts of Rajasthan, white sands of Rann, icy mountains of Ladakh, holy riverbeds of Ganges, to every corner of the nation. The team proudly holds members who have various national and international records.
Ladies and gentlemen, look left. 11 o'clock. You can see the trio forming with the Tiranga. He'll be coming shortly in front of you.
Coming in straight ahead, you can see the Indian Air Force flag. The parajumper is going in for landing right behind the venue.
They are going for landing right behind you. And here you see the Tiranga in the center, beautifully swirling in the sky.
If you carefully observe, you will also find the national flag fluttering in the sky. It is carried by Junior Warrant Officer R.K. Tiwari. In the red and yellow canopy, the parajumper is flying the national flag.
सबसे ऊपर अगर आप देखेंगे तो दो कैनपी साथ ही साथ जुड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और वो जुड़ गए. 11 बजे की सीधे आपके ऊपर पूरा तिरंगा.
Straight up, you can see a three-canopy stack formation known as trio. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very complicated formation being carried out by the most experienced of all. Looking as spectacular as it is, the formation depicts 75 years of India's independence.
बच्चों आपके पीछे जा रहे हैं लैंडिंग के लिए. आप उन्हें वेव कर सकते हैं. यही पैराट्रूपर्स कुछ ही देर में आपसे मिलने भी आएंगे.
आपके सामने आता हुआ आकाश गंगा फ्लैग. Give a huge round of applause for Sergeant Sumit Kumar.
Right on top, you can see the canopies separating beautiful tirangas, one behind the other. They will all go for landing right behind you. And 11 o'clock to you, the stack of trio coming towards you now. 11 o'clock.
Flying the saffron canopy depicting the strength and courage is Squad Leader Aftab. He is the formation leader, solely controlling the whole formation, symbolizing the peace, unity and truth. Flying the white canopy is Master Warrant Officer Kailash Chand. Flying the green canopy is Junior Warrant Officer Anil. Ladies and gentlemen, brace up for lower and closer action. All eyes on this formation, and soon you will see them delinking. There you can see the trio delinking in front of you, and they will be going in for landing right behind you. Do wave to the parajumpers of Skydiving Akash Ganga team.